Kristen, you hit the nail on the head, right? Like ideology, the Minister of Infrastructure today, made sure that, he said in his speech that, we're all capitalists here and we all believe in small government. Is that really necessary right now? I mean, if any time in history a government had a path to act like socialists to benefit the citizens, now's the time, right? I don't think that's necessary to talk about your ideology in the midst of a pandemic.
Right.
Yeah, and I mean, you had Jason Kenney quoting FDR in his address, and we're going to talk about FDR, then we have to talk about the New Deal, and that was the biggest, massive government spending program in American history.
Absolutely.
If you're just joining us now, we're chatting with our At Issue panel, Tyler Ell, Kristen Rayworth, and Najib Jutt. NDP MPs and MLAs have been saying perhaps it is time for a universal basic income instead of, the relief and the deferrals. So what do you think of that? Najib, want to start?
Sure. I think the universal basic income is, more of under the purview of the federal government. And I think that they're moving towards that, whether they think of that as long term or short term. I know that some countries like Spain are considering to keep it going. I think I would like more just, smaller steps and an immediate action from government before we start talking things about universal basic. Because what happens is then that becomes a conversation that stops all other conversations, right? Because everybody is so divided on that conversation. Let's just talk about helping renters, and forgiving loans, and let's talk about forgiving utilities. Let's talk about how we can just help. And you know what? I really believe that we should just go on a month-to-month basis, right? Like it's like, we're going to defer or we're going to forgive your utilities and loan payments for 1 month, and then we're going to review it after 30 days. And the beauty of that is it gives people a little bit of visibility in how things are moving and how they can expect things to unfold and what they can expect. The federal government, I think, is doing a great job of that. Every time, they announce something, they tell us what's coming up next, of course, because like Kristen says, there's capacity issues, right? But I don't think having these big, huge conversations about universal basic income that's the time right now. Right now, people just want to know, am I getting a break on my everyday expenses now that I can't work and there's no work out there? How am I going to pay my bills? Are they being forgiven, or am I being giving extra money in my pocket so that I can survive?
Right.